Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Ford Expedition XLT. 2017 Ford Expedition XLT, unleash power, embrace style. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 112,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes on the 2017 Ford Expedition XLT, a perfect blend of power and style. Powered by a 3.5L EcoBoost twin-turbo V6, this beast packs 365 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, enough to make any sports car envious. Loaded with factory features like power windows, locks, mirrors, air conditioning, cruise control, a rear-view camera, and a premium audio system with Bluetooth, this SUV is all about comfort and convenience. Its shadow black exterior exudes sophistication, while the ebony cloth interior keeps things stylish and comfy. With 15 mpg city and 20 mpg highway, it's efficient too. In excellent condition with a clean Carfax, stop by and take it for a spin today. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, digital odometer, external temperature display, roof rails, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.